Arizona mesothelioma lawyer. The number of mesothelioma cases is rising, and if this is you, then knowing what to do to be compensated is essential. The most important thing to do is to choose a mesothelioma attorney in Arizona to represent you in your case. Don't try to go it alone. You will be far more successful with the right attorney doing the work for you rather than trying to do it yourself. Whoever you choose needs to be someone competent in the field of mesothelioma cases. Preferably someone who doesn't do anything else. Make sure they have been around for a while too. Don't bet on a rookie who is just starting out. The job of the attorney starts on day one. But first they must prove to you that they are competent. They ought to be able to tell you about many successful cases that they have mitigated. You want facts and figures, not just numbers. Ask about details of the cases and why they were successful. Keep in mind that confidentiality is an issue. So the attorney can and should only share general information about cases, but should still be able and willing to talk about individual cases to an extent. A mesothelioma attorney in Arizona helps each patient to immediately understand the process to filing a case and determining the venue for the lawsuit. First, you will meet with your potential lawyer and team to review your medical records and employment history. Second, an investigation will be performed to prove how you gradually gained exposure to the asbestos. Third, your method of compensation or legal proceedings will be determined. Either the company that you have a history with has an asbestos claims trust because it has already been determined that they have caused significant exposure over the years of their manufacturing. Or your attorney in Arizona will have to pursue either a known suspect or new company. Fourth, you will have to familiarize yourself with the applicable laws, processing time frame and settlement options relative to your case. Lastly, your specific time frame and type of exposure will also affect your case once exposure and illness has been determined. And the source is identified as well. From here a formal complaint will be filed and you will be well on your way to legal retribution for your illness and loss throughout this process. After speaking with a mesothelioma attorney, Arizona victims of this disease will have a solid game plan and a chance at compensation. Find out more at www.azmesotheliomalawyer.com.